welcome to Folding with Judi. In today's video, we'll be folding a hoodie. I know, a hoodie. So you'll be seeing me fold a cropped hoodie and a regular size hoodie. So hopefully this video will show you how simple it is to fold the hoodies in your home. So without further ado, let's start folding. Oh, before we continue, please subscribe to this channel. This is a channel dedicated to folding. So if you need some tips, some tricks, or just simple ways to fold stuff in your home, you should definitely check out this channel and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so whenever I post a folding video, you get notified. For real now, let's go over to my folding table. So we're gonna start with a regular size hoodie, and the first thing you need to do, as always, is lay your hoodie on a flat surface and flatten it out like so. This is gonna make sure the end fold is as tight as possible. I'm gonna next pull down the hoodie. So I like to use the seam of the hoodie as my guide. So once you fold it, you can of course play with it a little bit just to get everything straight. You know, of course you want to flatten it out just a bit more. Next, you're going to take the left side or the left arm and you're going to fold it into the hoodie. You will be making a rectangle, which is going to let you know that you're doing this correctly. So where you see this line is where I'll be folding the left side. Like so. And I'm going to keep the left arm of the hoodie horizontal like so. And I'm basically going to do the same with the right side. Once both arms are horizontal and the body of the hoodie is folded, you can of course flatten it out just a bit more and straighten it out. You want to make sure that rectangle you just created is pretty parallel and symmetrical. Can you see the rectangle? I do. So once you have formed this shape, next you're going to fold down. So you're going to take the top portion. So basically the goal is to fold down until you meet this part of the hoodie, which is right under the arms. So you're going to take the top portion and you're literally going to fold it down like so. Let me pull this up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see how the arms are still sticking out? They're still horizontal and they're just waiting to be folded. So next you're going to take the bottom portion of the hoodie that has not been folded and you're just going to fold that up, meeting the fold you just did before. Next you're going to take the left arm and you're literally going to fold it over and you're going to tuck it in, and you're going to basically do the same to the right side. Oh, look how beautiful this looks already. You have now created this beautiful fold. Just gorgeous. You can flip it over. So you can play with it a bit just to make sure everything is neat. So whichever way you choose to lay your hoodie down, it will look very nice, very neat, and perfectly folded. That's it. So next is the cropped hoodie. So as before, you're going to lay it down on a flat surface, like so. So next, you're going to take the left side or the left arm of the hoodie and you're going to bring that inside the body like so. And you're going to fold it into the body like so. And you're going to do the same with the right arm, creating an X. Using the hood seam as a guide, you're going to take the left side again and you're going to fold that into the body like so. And you're going to do the same with the right side, creating a rectangle. My favorite shape. So next you're going to take the bottom portion and we're going to start folding up. You're going to fold it up about 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now you're going to tuck the body of the hoodie inside the hoodie or the hood or the hat. I don't know. So now that you have the body inside the hoodie, you're pretty much done. So once you find the strings, you pull them and this is going to tighten the fold. So once you do that, you just tuck in the strings back inside the hoodie and you are done. Absolutely love this fold. It's so easy, it's so compact, and it's perfect if you're trying to save space. So whenever I fold something, this is how I know I folded it correctly. It stays, yes. The best way to display this hoodie is to either file fold it or stack them. I just love this fold. So good, so compact. I mean, it's perfect. This heart is for you. So hopefully this video helped you fold your hoodie, or maybe fold other people's hoodies. You know, you want to show them how good you are at folding, you know, or maybe not. So let me know in the comment section below if you were able to fold your hoodie using this video. Let me know below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be creating more folding videos. So hopefully you come back and become the folding expert in your home. So I'll see you soon. Bye.